Hello guys, welcome back. So we learned in the last class something called a box model, right? So now, okay, how to use these properties we will see, guys. Okay, so we will see how to use this box model properties, and you will come to know how important it is. Okay, so now what I do concentrate, guys. So let me delete this. Okay, let me delete this. So and I will delete here also. So I'll delete this h1 tags also. Now guys, okay, save this. So now what I do concentrate here. So now first let me execute this HTML file in the browser. So I will copy the path, then and I'll go to the browser. I will paste here, then I will paste here. Next guys, so now see if I open any website here, like I'll open this website ignitiveindia.com. So concentrate this website here, guys. See, we have something called navigation bar here, right? So we have something called navigation bar, and if you place your mouse cursor, so it is applying some hovering effect. That means some effect is there here, yes or no? So now how to create this navigation bar we will see, guys. Clear? So now how to create, just concentrate here, guys. So we can create the navigation bar in multiple ways. So this is the one way, guys. Later I will show you another ways. Clear? So now first what we have to do, just I am revising the box model properties and I am showing how to apply the box model properties. Clear? So now if you want to create a navigation bar, so we have a tag called nav tag. Okay, so inside this tag, see, these all are links. When you click, it's going to another pages, right? That means these all are links, guys. So what I do, so I will create, okay, some anchor tags inside, okay, this navigation bar. So let me pass here the home. I will pass here home. So similarly, guys, I will copy this. I will copy and I will paste, okay, the 5 to 6 anchor tags. I'll change the name as about us. Then I'll change here. I'll make this as contact us. I'll make this as what? Contact us. Then I'll make this as services. Then I'll make this as products. Then I'll make this as okay, so login. So now save this, guys. Save this. See, when I go to the browser, reload the page, see, we got some text here. So we got this. Okay, so we added only HTML, guys, right? We added only HTML nav tag and anchor tags. So we have to design this like this. Okay, so however this navigation bar is looking like this, we have to design it. Clear? So now what we have to do, guys, see, so here, guys, okay, first I will select this navigation bar and I will select, okay, something called now the tag I am selecting. This is my element selector. Why this is element selector? I am selecting only one type of element. Clear? So now what I do, guys, here I will apply some background color. Okay, the background color blue I will apply. Concentrate. The background color blue I am applying. Then so here I'll select some shade. So the shade, okay, like this. I'll change the shade. Yes, this is my blue color I am applying. Now save this. So reload the page. See, guys, we are applying blue color here. Yes or no? So now what I do, guys, so little bit of, okay, so padding I have to apply. So padding means what, guys? See, so if I apply border here, okay, so consider 2px solid red color border I am applying. So when I apply border, okay, so here I'll pass red. See, when I apply border here, see, border is applied. Now I want to provide the space between the content and the border. Yes or no? I want to provide the space between the content and the border. We use what? Padding, right? So we use what? Padding. So what I do, so first I will go here. So I will pass padding, okay, padding top, okay. So padding top I am using here. Padding, okay, 5px top I want to apply. Similarly, padding bottom, okay, padding bottom I want to apply 5px. So now if you observe this guys, if you observe this, it is going to apply some padding. See, it's going to apply some padding on top as well as bottom. Sir, I want some more padding, so first I should check, okay, how it should be. Okay, I want to check how it will be visible on the page, how it will be displayed on the page. So if you want to see guys, first you should go to this, right click on the navigation bar. There is something called inspect element. Okay, so there is something called inspect element. Concentrate, you can check how much padding you want. See, when you inspect, concentrate guys. Okay, so here in element section you will be having all the HTML code, yes or no? So in styles section, styles means what? CSS, we will be having all the CSS properties which is applicable to this navigation bar. So now what I do guys, okay, we have applied padding also, right? So padding is also there. So now I don't know how much padding if I apply, okay, मतलब कितना padding apply करूँगा तो ऐसे display होगा, clear? So कितना अभी देखो यहाँ पे इतना padding, यहाँ पे इतना padding apply करूँगा तो ये अच्छे से लगने लगेगा. So हमको मालूम नहीं है ना, so हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे check कर लेंगे कितना padding चाहिए. So we will check guys how much padding we require. So if we check here, see, concentrate, just I'll place my cursor here on this number and you observe this navigation bar. So when I try to see, use upper arrow keys, okay, see, little bit of padding increased here. Done. So similarly, okay, I'll go to padding bottom. So here also I'll increase some padding. Okay, it's 8. So okay, it's now looking good. So I want this much of padding on both the sides. Okay, so top as well as bottom. So what you have to do, so when you refresh guys, observe the padding. When you refresh again, it is what? Concentrate, when you refresh again, it is what? 5px only. So what we have to do, it will not affect here, it is only to check. ये सिर्फ check करने के लिए है. It is only to check how, okay, the element is visible. कैसे हमारा element दिख रहा है web page पे. So after checking, what we have to do guys, we have to pass the value here. Padding 8px, padding 8px. First we have checked, it was looking good. Then you should check, then you should, okay, add in your CSS property. This is a good habit guys, actually. See, so first we have to inspect the element, we have to check it. Later, okay, we have to, okay, add it to our original source code. So we applied the padding. See guys, I don't want this border, just, okay, for you guys, for understanding purpose I have explained. So I don't want border. You should know, okay, if I want to apply padding, what I should do. If I want to provide some space, what I should do, you should know. You should not apply border, you should not check, okay, then. So I don't want this border guys, I will remove. So now it's looking good. Observe here, now it's looking good. Yes or no? Now guys, I want to change the text color of this anchor tag. So what I do, here I'll go here. So next I will pass, I will select this anchor tags. I will select this anchor tags. So I'll go here. So I'll pass A, okay. So now here I will pass color. So text color means I'll make this as white color. Done. So save this and reload. See, the text color is also changed. Now I want to remove the underline of this anchor tags. So if you want to remove the underline, we have something called text decoration, none. So I will remove. Already I have taught all these properties to you guys, right? So now I am going to, okay, refresh the page and the underline is removed. Now guys, I want to provide some space between the two elements. Okay, that means the space between the two elements, that means space between the two outlines. So that is margin guys. So what I do, I will use, concentrate, I will use margin left for anchor tags. So I'll pass 20px. What it will do, it will provide, okay, 20px of margin for left side of this anchor tags. Observe here, is it providing? Yes, but we don't know the exact value, okay, for this margin. So what we do guys, right click. So right click on this anchor tag, right click. So inspect the element. So now observe here, here we have margin also, right? So let me increase. So we have margin left also. So now I'll change the console, okay, position here, so it will be like this. So now observe here guys, you just increase the value, you will come to know how it's looking. See, yes guys, yes, it's perfect now. See, perfectly it's looking good now. Clear? So what is the exact value? See, when we inspect, we will get the exact values, okay. That means we can see how the element is going to be displayed on the web page. Then we can add it to our CSS file. So I have added here margin left, okay, 65px. So if you reload, again it will gone. So what we have to do guys, we have to pass inside our source code the value, exact value is what, 65px. Now once I pass 65px, reload, see, it's looking perfect. Clear guys? So I have used, okay, box model properties, just I am showing how the element is looking. Sir, observe here, see, there is some space, yes or no? There is some space here, but in our, okay, code there is no space. Done. In real-time website there is no space, but here there is a space. So how to remove this space guys? So concentrate. So whenever we develop any application, so always consider, okay, we have two tags, the main two tags, yes or no? So we have HTML tag, comma, we have body tag, yes or no? By default, HTML tag and body tag is having some, okay, margin and paddings. So we should remove this, we should make it as margin 0px, okay, as well as padding 0px. So when you make this as margin 0px, padding 0px, it will remove the default margin of body tag as well as HTML tag. Now it looks good. Clear guys? Any doubts? So this is the just example guys. Similarly we will see, okay, so we will see some more box model properties, okay. We will create one button, so we will design one button so that you can understand. Okay, so now what I do here, so I'll go to HTML page, just I'll create one HR tag here, so which is dividing here, right, which will create one line here. So now I'll create something called button here. So the button, the name I'll give it as sign up button. Okay, so now this is my button guys, this is my button. So I want to, okay, design this button. So first what I do is I will select this button here, I will select this button, okay. So next here I will pass something called, okay, margin, okay, 20px, which is going to provide, okay, some margin. See, we have removed default margin of body, right? That is why it's looking like this. So when we pass margin, so it's providing, okay, margin for all four sides. So margin, only margin is all four sides, right? So now here I'll apply background color to the button, okay. So I'll apply background color, so it's something called a green color. So the green color shade, I'll go here, yeah. Okay, some color, I'll select this, okay, I selected this color, okay, this color. So I applied the background color, reload the page, see the background color applied. So now I want to apply some border, so I pass border, I'll make this as 1px solid green color border, I'll apply, okay, 1px solid green border, I'll apply. So now, so save this and reload the page guys. See the border, some small border applied, yes sir. So now sir, I want, okay, see one more color you are getting, so that is outline guys. So I want to remove the outline, so that is the default outline. So I will remove outline none, okay. So I'll pass outline none, I will pass, done. So now observe here the box, okay, the black color line, see, it's removed. So now similarly I want to change the text color of this button. I'll go with color, okay, red color, sorry, text color, I'll make this as white. Now save this and reload the page. See, the text color is changed. So now I want to provide some space between the content and the border. So what I do is here I will pass, okay, so padding property, padding. So here I will pass the shorthand padding, I will pass here. So padding, let me make this as 5px all side. So all side I am applying, okay. Then now button applied. So let me apply some border here. So I'll pass border radius, okay. So I want curve radius, so I'll make this as a 10px of border guys. So So if you observe, see, the border is uploaded. See, so it's looking good, guys. Done. So we designed one button, as well as I want to apply shadow to the button. So I'll go for one box shadow, guys. So box shadow, it's for boxes. Text shadow, it's only for text. So I'll pass here box shadow. So next 2px, 2px. Okay, then 1px blur ratio, same as text shadow. So but we are applying for boxes here. So I'll pass here red color shadow. So now observe here. So we are getting something called red color shadow here. So here we have revised all the box model properties. See, margin, border, outline, padding, border, radius. So in this way we have to use, okay, we have to design the, okay, HTML base. So I hope you understand. Please go through these ones. So okay guys, concentrate now. So we are going to learn one more property, guys, here. So observe here, guys. So I'll comment all these things. I'll comment, guys. I'll comment. I don't want this. So here also I'll comment this. Then here also I'll comment this. So now we are learning here. See, you observe, guys. So I'll use this division tag, guys. So division JSPy JavaScript I'll pass. JavaScript I will pass. Then so next I'll copy this and I'll paste this. I will tell you what is this division tag, not now, later I will teach. Okay. So now I'll pass JavaScript 1, then I'll pass JavaScript 2, then JavaScript 3, then JavaScript 4. Right. So now again I will pass here something called HR, which is going to create one line. Yes or no? So which is going to create one line here. So now what I do, guys, so I have created some division tags. I will teach you what is division tags later, not now. So next one HR tag I am creating. So next here I will pass something called anchor tag, you know, right? Okay, so here also I will pass here something called angular. Then so one I will pass. So let me copy this angular. So now save this. So when I reload the page, guys, when I reload the page, see, we have added something, okay, with the help of divisions, with the help of anchor, okay, anchor tag. So now let me change it to 1, 2, 3 and 4. So guys, if you observe here, see, these things, these elements are displaying in a different lines. Sir, no, but these anchor tags are displaying in the same line. The sorry, guys. So now what I do, guys, so let me apply some CSS properties to this division tag. Concentrate. I'll pass division. So here I'll pass background color. Okay, so orange color I'll pass. Then similarly I will select anchor tag. So next here I will pass background color. Done. So here I'll pass something called pink color. So now reload the page. See, guys, observe here, okay. So whenever we added the elements with the help of division tags and with the help of anchor tags. So concentrate clearly. In HTML we have two types of elements. For example, consider paragraph, h1 tag, form tag, okay, marquee tag and division tag. So these all are the element which is going to be displayed in different lines, guys. Okay, these all are the elements which is going to be displayed in different lines. Clear? And we have some elements like for example we have anchor tag, image tag, video tag, audio tag, label tag, input tag. These elements are going to be displayed in the same line. Yes or no? So what are some of the HTML tags are going to be displayed in different line, and some of the HTML tags are going to be displayed in the same line. So what will happen, guys, and whatever the elements which are displaying in the different line, so we call this as block level elements. The tags which are going to be displayed in different lines, we call it as what? Block level elements. and the tags which is going to display it in the same line, we call it as what? Inline level elements. And one more difference you should remember here. So block level elements, okay, the CSS properties will be considered, okay, will be applicable till the end of the web page. That means wherever you pass block level elements, it will be considered as a whole web page, guys. What it will be considered as? It will be considered as a, okay, block here. Then the CSS property, see, consider if you are passing this division here, so what it will do? It will consider the whole space as a block. Then that is why it is applicable till the end. But in case of inline level elements, the properties, CSS properties will be applicable only to the content whatever you have. Then, so what is block level elements? Which will be displaying in the different lines, and the CSS properties will be applicable till the end of the page. That means it will be considered as a block. And what is inline level elements? Which will be displaying in the same line, and the CSS properties will be applicable only to the content. So now we have, why I am explaining this means, so you can convert block level element to inline level element to block level element with the help of one property, guys. And the property is, okay, observe here, display property. Then, so I'll pass display block here first. See, division is a block level element. If I pass block, no changes will be there. See, I am passing display block. By default, division is block level element. Yes or no? By default, division is block level element. There is no changes. See, there is no changes. So now here I will pass something called display inline. So if I pass display inline, guys, see, by default anchor is inline level element. There is no changes. So now observe, once I change block, okay, to inline here, so what will happen? It will change the block level element. Okay, the division is block level element, right? It will change the behavior of this division to inline level element. So observe here, see, the divisions are looking like inline level elements. Very important property it is. You will understand when I teach some project related things. Clear? So next, guys, we have something called angular, okay, which is inline level element by default. So if you pass inline also no effect. So I want to convert this to block level elements. So I will go for block, save this, and reload the page. That, so it's converting, okay, the inline level elements to block level element. Observe here. So this is the advantage of display property. And you can use one more thing, okay. So observe here, you can pass, for example, consider this, there is angular 2, right? So now I'll pass inline CSS, just, okay, for to show you guys I am explaining inline CSS. For angular 2 I'll pass inline CSS style display, okay, display none I will pass. So this display none, see, observe here, we are passing for angular 2, right? So display none, if you pass, it is used to hide the element. See, if you pass, there is no angular 2. So if you inspect this, okay, we will be having, see, angular 2 is present here, yes or no? But it is not displaying. See, angular 2 is present here, but it is not displaying on the web page. Why? Means we are passing display none. So why we use display none? To hide the elements on the web pages. Okay, so we use display none to hide the elements on the web pages. So for example, if you go for any forms, for example, okay, consider I'll go for Geeks website, Geek for Geeks. So when I search, okay, and I click on this button, see, when I click on sign in, we will get one form. Yes or no? See, I'll enter some improper data here. Okay, so improper data, so password also improper. So there is no message, right? So when I click on this, see, you are getting one message. Yes or no? Previously it was not there. When you do some mistake, it's displaying some message. So how we got this message, guys? Okay, because now there is no angular 2. I want to display it. Later you can display. So how they have hidden this message, guys? By default they have hidden with the help of display none only, guys. Okay, they have hidden with the help of display none. So whenever they want, they are displaying that message. So if so, the message how they have hidden, the same property they have used. So we will see this in JavaScript. Okay, so remember, till then you remember. Okay, so this is the display property, guys. So we use this display property for this purpose. Clear? So now I am going to delete. I hope you guys understood. You should watch it again and again so that you can understand clearly. Okay, so you guys should tell me what are the inline level elements we have, what are the block level elements we have. While executing only you will come to know if it is displaying in the different line, it is block level element. If it is displaying in the different line, you can call it as inline level elements, right? So now guys, so observe here. So let me uncomment. Okay, let me uncomment this one. Let me uncomment this. Let me uncomment this, guys. Save this, and here also I will delete this. I hope you know this now. I will delete this. So here I will uncomment all these things, right? So now save this, guys. We got our navigation bar like this, see, and one button is there. Now I want to show you something. Before going to that, I will add some paragraphs here. Just simple. Okay, why I am adding, guys? I want to show you this effect. See, when I scroll here, the page is scrolling, but the navigation bar is on the top only. Yes or no? So now how to do this? Concentrate. Okay, so how to do this? Concentrate now. Okay, first I'll go to my source code, guys. Okay, so in our page we don't have any navigation bar, sorry, we don't have any content. That is the reason we don't have any scroll bar. Just to get this, okay, I'm adding some dummy content, p into 200. Okay, help us Java script. Done. So now observe here, after adding some 200 paragraphs, so we got some scroll bar here. See, when we scroll over, it is scrolling. Yes or no? When we scroll, it is scrolling to the top. Okay, so but in this case, in this website, it is not scrolling, it's a stick. Okay, it's fixed to the top. So how to do this? Okay, so observe here, in our case it's scrolling. So first, before going to this, guys, so observe here, guys, whenever we add any HTML tags, any HTML content, by default it is always on left side, right? Always it is on left side. So button also always on left side. I want to bring this button to this position. So I hope my mouse is visible to you guys. So my mouse is here. So wherever my mouse is present, till there I want to move my element. Clear? So what I do, guys, I'll go to this button tag wherever I have used this button. See the properties I have used, right? So if you want to move the HTML elements, we use something called position property, guys. So you should use what? Position related. To which tag I am applying? Button tag. So save this, reload the page. See, there is no changes. Why no changes means, guys? So concentrate here. So along with position, you should pass the values, like properties called left. From left I want to move right. From the left I want to move some value. So along with position you should pass from the left I want to move. By default it is 0 px. I want to move 50 px from the left. Done. So when I pass 50 px from the left, observe it will move 50 px from the left. Relative means what? From the current position. See, sir, I want to move till here, but I don't know the exact value, sir. What I should do? Inspect now. So I'll go elements section. Okay, remember, guys, see, I want to consider till here I want to bring, where I placed my mouse here till here. So I'll go here, the button is having something called position property, right? So left I want to move, so I will just increase the values with the help of arrow keys. See, the button is moving now. Okay, till here I want to move. I got the exact value. What is the exact value? 320 px. Guys, similarly, guys, here only you click. From the top also I want to move just after this property, just click here. So the cursor is blinking here. You can add your top property also from the top if you want to move. Then I will pass here 2px, then it's moving, see. So consider till here I want to move. Done. So we got the exact values, guys. Left 321px, top 19px. So just we are checking here how, see, for according to me, okay, the website is looking good, the button is placed, okay, wherever I want. So I have placed, मैंने मेरे बटन को यहाँ पे बिठाना था, तो मैंने पोजीशन यूज़ करके लेफ्ट और टॉप यूज़ करके बिठा लिया. सो मैंने चेक कर लिया यहाँ पे कैसा लग रहा है. So then you should do, you can copy paste this properties. Why means when you reload it will be gone, right? So when you refresh it will be gone. So I copy pasted the properties. So I'll go back to the source code. Just okay, I'll remove this left. I will paste these properties which I copied. So now save this. You will get the exact position now. So this is the help of position property. You can place the element wherever you want this. Okay, you can place the HTML element wherever you want. So now you can place your image right side also. Okay, center also. Here also you can add the image. You can wherever you want you can add now with the help of this position. What you have to do? You should pass your position. Okay, relative. Then you should pass a left, top, and if you want to move from right side we have right properties. Okay, right, and if you want to move from bottom we have bottom also. You can use this. So this is the position. So we have one more value, guys, position. So observe here. So when I scroll this again, our navigation bar is okay scrolling along with the content. I want to fix it, guys. I want to fix it somewhere. Okay. So what I do, guys, concentrate. I'll go here. Okay, I'll go here to this navigation bar. I will use something called same position property, position. Okay, so instead of relative I'll make this as fixed, guys. Instead of relative I'll make this as position fixed. So where I want to make it as fixed, on the top. Okay, so when on the top 0px I want to fix this navigation bar. So when you pass top 0px and position fixed, observe here, reload the page. So some height and width is not coming properly. So then you should pass width 100% of this navigation bar. Right. So now observe here. If you reload, yes, everything is perfect. So now when I apply position fixed, concentrate. So previously it was scrolling. Now it's not scrolling. See, it's fixed, guys. Yes or no? It is fixed. Yes. Understood? See, it's fixed now. It's not scrolling. So we use this position property for this purpose, guys. So please go through these ones. So guys, please go through these slides I have given. Okay. So all the respective properties. See, position. Static means default one, guys. Nothing is there. We don't use actually. This is default one. So you can go for relative as well as fixed. Relative means if you want to move. Okay. And fixed means if you want to fix to some position. So these properties we use, guys. Okay. Top, left, right, bottom. Clear? So I hope you understand, guys. So I have shown everything in real time. See, I have shown you guys everything I executed here, and I have shown you real time. I have opened one website also. I have shown here how to create. Now in the next session we will see when you hover. Okay, there is some zooming effect on this content. So how to use this we will see in next session, guys. So till then please practice, watch the video again and again. So it's good if you practice again and again, guys. Okay, so thank you, guys. Bye bye. We are going to wind up the session, so please be practice.